Check one, check, check.
Yo, what's up everyone? We're diving deep into the world of wireless earbuds today, but not just for their awesome tech. These tiny audio companions have become essential, letting us tune in without a wire in sight. But with all that convenience, there's a question we gotta ask. Are they really safe for us long-term? We're talking potential health risks, from radiation exposure to hearing damage. We'll break down the science and give you practical tips to stay safe without ditching your tunes. Subscribe us and support us, bring you wonderful videos. Now let's get into it. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Radiation, specifically, the kind that comes from our everyday gadgets. They use Bluetooth technology to connect to your devices, and that means low-level radio frequency radiation is constantly buzzing around your head. This is the same technology that powers your wireless earbuds, making them so convenient yet potentially concerning. Now before you freak out, it's important to understand that we're exposed to EMF from various sources every day: Wi-Fi routers, cell phones, even microwaves. These devices emit electromagnetic fields that we can't see but are always there. The question is, at what point does this exposure become a problem? How much is too much, and what can we do about it? The science on long-term effects of low-level EMF is still evolving, but some studies have suggested potential links to some scary stuff, like brain tumors and sleep disruptions. These findings are still being debated in the scientific community. Think about it, these earbuds sit right next to your brain for hours on end. It's a close proximity that makes some people uneasy. While the levels of radiation are low, prolonged exposure close to sensitive tissues like the brain is what has some experts concerned. They worry about the cumulative effects over time. Later in the video, I'll share some simple tips to minimize your exposure and keep those brain waves humming safely. Stay tuned to learn how to enjoy your tech without the worry. Let's talk about something we all love: music. Whether it's your favorite playlist, a new album drop, or just some background tunes to get you through the day, music is a big part of our lives. But here's the thing. Blasting your favorite tunes at high volumes through your earbuds can be a recipe for disaster, especially if you do it often. This habit can lead to something called noise-induced hearing loss, or NIHL, which is more common than you might think. Imagine this. You're walking down a busy street completely immersed in your own world thanks to your earbuds. The hustle and bustle around you fades away as you get lost in the music. The music's pumping, drowning out the city noise. But here's the catch. You might be unknowingly exposing your ears to dangerously high sound levels, which can be harmful over time. See, our ears are incredibly sensitive instruments, designed to pick up a wide range of sounds. Inside your inner ear, there are these tiny hair cells that vibrate in response to sound waves. These cells are crucial for translating sound into signals your brain can understand. When you crank up the volume, especially for long periods, these delicate hair cells can get damaged, and the worst part is, this damage is often irreversible. Once they're gone, they don't grow back. Think of it like this. Imagine repeatedly bending a wire back and forth. Over time, the wire will weaken. Eventually, it's going to weaken and break. The same thing happens to those tiny hair cells in your ear. Over time, you might notice that you're constantly asking people to repeat themselves, or you might experience ringing in your ears, a condition known as tinnitus. This can be incredibly frustrating and impact your quality of life. The good news is, there are ways to protect your hearing without sacrificing your music experience. Using noise-canceling headphones, taking listening breaks, and keeping the volume at a safe level can all help preserve your hearing for years to come. Let's face it, our ears are warm, moist environments. And when you add earbuds into the mix, you're basically creating a perfect breeding ground for bacteria. These tiny devices, while convenient, can harbor a surprising amount of germs. Think about it. You're constantly touching your earbuds, transferring oils and dirt from your fingers, putting them in your ears, where they mix with earwax and moisture, and they're picking up sweat, dirt, and all sorts of lovely things throughout the day. This combination can lead to a buildup of bacteria and other microorganisms. Now imagine this. You pop in your earbuds, and instead of your favorite playlist, you're greeted with an unpleasant itching or even pain. This discomfort can be a sign that something is not right. That, my friends, could be the telltale sign of an ear infection brewing. Ear infections can be quite painful and may require medical attention. Sharing earbuds is a big no-no, because you're basically sharing your ear flora with someone else, which can introduce new bacteria into your ear canal. And trust me, that's not a trade you want to make. Regularly cleaning your earbuds, especially the ear tips, is crucial. This can help prevent the buildup of grime and bacteria that can lead to those nasty infections. A simple cleaning routine can make a big difference. We'll dive deeper into the cleaning routine later in the video, so stay tuned. Keeping your earbuds clean is essential for maintaining ear health. We've talked about the potential risks of EMF radiation, but what about its impact on our brain power? Could those tiny earbuds actually be messing with our concentration and cognitive function? Some researchers believe that prolonged exposure to low-level EMF radiation, like the kind emitted by Bluetooth devices, might interfere with these delicate signals. Imagine this: you're trying to focus on an important task, but you just can't seem to shake off this feeling of brain fog. While more research is needed to confirm a direct link, some studies have suggested that EMF exposure might lead to issues like headaches, difficulty concentrating, and even sleep disturbances. If you find yourself struggling to focus or feeling mentally drained after prolonged earbud use, it might be worth taking a break and giving your brain a chance to recharge. Alright, let's talk about something you might not expect: your jaw. Believe it or not, those tiny earbuds could be contributing to jaw pain, headaches, and even a condition called temporomandibular joint disorder, or TMJ. When you wear earbuds for extended periods, especially if they don't fit quite right, it can put pressure on the muscles and joints in your jaw. This constant strain can lead to muscle fatigue, soreness, and even pain that radiates up to your head. For people who already have TMJ, which affects the joint that connects your jawbone to your skull, wearing earbuds can exacerbate their symptoms. The added pressure can trigger jaw pain, headaches, clicking or popping sounds, and even difficulty opening and closing your mouth. Choosing earbuds with a comfortable fit, taking breaks to give your jaw a rest, and even considering alternative listening options can go a long way in preventing discomfort and potential TMJ issues. So, there you have it. The good, the bad, and the potentially ugly when it comes to wireless earbuds. Look, I get it, these tiny devices are incredibly convenient, but like with anything else, it's all about finding a balance and using them responsibly. Being aware of the potential risks and taking simple precautions can go a long way in protecting your health. Choose earbuds that prioritize safety, keep those volumes in check, and give your ears a break every now and then. Now I want to hear from you. Do you use wireless earbuds daily? What steps do you take to minimize your risk? Drop your tips and tricks in the comments below. Stay safe and keep those ears happy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.